All right, guys, we're here at the tail point of Quarantine Cruise 22, and Custom Mike's in town. Look at that. He brought his wedge truck. This thing's dope.
I love this thing.
International. He's got some fun toys. He doesn't mess around. And we got the Resto Mods Camaro there hanging out.
We dropped anchor, we're set. That's the way to go.
So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think so. Oh, dude, we should. Let's look at that.
426 Hemi.
Let's look at that 426 Hemi real fast.
Well, I don't even think it's a 426. I think it's much bigger.
I think they're leaving. Wow. Get around the other side of this thing here. Look at this thing. Wow. Pretty cool. Pistol shifter. Look at the size of this carburetor, man. Demon. Is that 800?
I don't know.
Pro Series 800. Oh, the guys in the Resto Mod car took off.
Ray Barton Hemi.
Beautiful.
Hey, it looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. She's been around the block, but looks like she can still go and go and go.
Yeah. One of the great white knucklers, right?
You know it. Just hang on and go.
Well, you know, always remember, you can go slow in a fast car, but you can't go fast in a slow car.
That's true. That's true.
That's what it's all about.
It's just like a stereo system. You know what? Great speakers always sound better at low volume than cheap speakers any day of the week. You know.
And those look like the Honda plug wires.
I believe you're right. They're the MS. He's got MSD clamps on them, but.
Oh, these were cool. These were the first car.
Yeah, I don't know what to do. Well, anyway, nice caddy. Let's get some. Let's get some lunch. Let's do that.
I know what to do.
Let's get some lunch.
Nothing.
Nothing.
That's what you do. Nothing.
Let the phone ring.
Yeah. See, these U.S. mags are nice and they're reasonable.
A new tailgate band.
But they're too open for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need probably a tailgate because the tailgate's dented as well as the band.
Oh yeah, you can fix the tailgate though.
Okay. Yeah. So, and those bands are
$1,200.
No, they're less than that. You can buy them at Brothers and all of those places. I think they make the repops.
I know they make the repops. I thought they were expensive. Anyway, yeah, we got a few cars here.
You've got a buddy at Brothers.
Yeah, huh?
Right?
I'm getting a little crooked here. Sorry about that. Yeah, pretty good crowd over here.
Yeah, there's,
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah.
I love this vet with the matte black and gold. It reminds me of the John Player special.
Oh, my gosh.
Right?
I couldn't have pulled that one out of my head if I wanted to.
Well, there you go.
But there you go, John Player
That's
special.
why you got me.
There you go. Am I focused on it?
Encyclopedia of useless knowledge.
No, but the John Player special, that's a classic.
That's it.
All right, so where are we going?
In the deli.
All right, beer garden's closed. All right, guys. We're going in the deli for a sandwich.